Today I've just gathered a few long flowering plants. Now I love flowers and I love plants that just go on and on and on producing them. And these were now early June and these are already flowering. Some have been flowering now for a couple of months, like this erysimum here. Some of them have only just started. But all of them will just carry on and on and on throughout the summer. So let me just talk you through them. This is an erysimum. It's a perennial wallflower, and what happens is as the season progresses, this stem gets longer and longer and longer and longer, and you can see it here. It's already a couple of feet tall, but the flowers keep on coming. And I've had this in my garden in flower from February to November. I don't know any other plant that's going to do that for you in the garden. Salvias are always really good plants, long flowering. I love the intense colours of this one. It's called Caradonna. The lavateras, if you want something bigger, bushier, then these shrubs, lavateras, are really good. They come in shades of pink or white, and the good thing is you can cut them back to almost nothing each year and they just go whoosh in early spring. Nepetas, of course, just carry on and on and on. They're loved by bees, and even after their first flush of flowers, if you cut them down, they'll come up with some more. Geranium Roseanne. Now this one planted the centenary a couple of years ago, and the reason it did was because it's such a good, reliable and long flowering plant. Just carries on from early midsummer, producing these wonderful blue, violet blue saucers. And another plant that's always going to make it into my top 10, little erigeron here. It is just full of flowers, and the flower colour changes, so you get pink and white on the same plant, and it's really good for sunny spots, hot, dry, sunny spots. And it just forms a nice loose mound. So there we are, just a few plants that are going to flower for months on end. There are extras and I'll list them on the video at the end.